India has also sent the first shipment of medical supplies to Tehran, a gesture for which Iran has thanked the kind people, quote-unquote, the kind people of India. A gesture that might go a long way in extracting more concessions from the country that has choked the Strait of Hormuz, with reports now suggesting that US may ease sanctions on Iranian oils as well, which are stuck at sea, to boost global oil supply and lower the prices. One can imagine how crucial any leverage that India may have can prove to be. This deft diplomacy has impressed leaders in the Congress as well. So it's not just the BJP, but Congress-ranked leaders who are praising this as well. Listen to Shashi Tharoor and Manish Tiwari, both hailing India's statecraft, the same foreign policy that others in their party, the Congress, have been slamming left, right and centre.
Gas is going to be a problem, petrol is going to be a problem, all fuel is going to be a problem, because essentially our energy security has been compromised. Flawed foreign policy has created this problem.
I think I understand the government's desire to take a very, for lack of a better word, cautious stand.
I think probably we are doing the right thing, because that is really what strategic autonomy is about.
In fact, viewers, Shashi Tharoor, a long-time diplomat, may understand the government's desire to take a cautious stand. But neither the Congress nor other leaders in the opposition understand Tharoor's stand. Remember how Sonia Gandhi had called government silence an abdication?
देखिए, सबके अलग अंदाज होते देखने का।
परेशानी कांग्रेस के अंदर है कि कांग्रेस खुद समझ नहीं पा रही है कि वो अपने लीडर को किस तरीके से समझाए।
Shashi Tharoor, he got some favor from Modi, maybe his own soft opinion, but common people thinks we have not taken correct stand.
BJP says that more diplomacy will continue to work in India's favour, no matter how loud is the outrage from the opposition.
It's clear that slowly and gradually every Congress leader realizes that Rahul Gandhi and the Gandhi Vadra family's stance on the West Asian conflict is not about taking India's national interest forward. It is about benefiting the fringe element and benefiting the adversary.
कांग्रेस लगातार झूठ फैला रही है, कहती है कि भारत ने ईरानियन शिप को सिंक करवा दिया इंडियन वाटर्स में, झूठ फैलाती है। परंतु थरूर जी और मनीष तिवारी दोनों कहते हैं कि इस क्राइसिस के समय पर जो भारत ने स्टैंड लिया है, जिस प्रकार से भारत ने अपने पोजीशन को रखा है, ये भारत के इंटरेस्ट को सेफगार्ड करता है।
And viewers, while there is a